You're moving on to the issue of Daddy Lumba. Today, something happened in court. The back and forth between Daddy Lumba and the family, and also the wives of Daddy Lumba. I'm talking about Akosua Serwaa and Odo Broni. Now, initially, Akosua Serwaa was the person she was actually refusing. Say, kuna. Basically the will performing the widowhood rights she's the only person legally bound by law and also by tradition and what's kuna and a widowhood rights. So but the issue here is that 2018 this same Akosua Serwaa at the Daddy Lumba nensa command the for or also throw letter issue a letter from the lawyer say command Daddy Lumba say our really gunu. So ultimately, even though amount court and finalizing for the past years, that Lumba was not seeing Akosua Serwaa. They were not together, and that Lumba came to Ghana, and he stayed here. And Onya Ohunkeni Fufra say Odo Broni. All these were all that we were seeing, and the person we were seeing was Odo Broni. But then, contrary, now Akosua Serwaa party said they had issues like any married couple, and these particular issues that they had, and don't just say the marriage was officially divorced, fine, or then sakoye or court. But then officially, by law, the marriage was not dissolved. And she's the person now who's supposed to take sole custody of everything, from the properties to the estate to everything. And then the family members of that Lumba Penny and also the lawyers of Akosua Serwaa Kumasi Circuit Court. And something did happen. We are learning say as that Lumba and they've scored a legal victory. Legal victory ni say court ama say sisiano a year na Akosua Serwaa April and I say upper court I shall say yenfa injunction to so yen stop near recognizing onunkwa as a legitimate wife a kamia say her request court have squashed it, which means they can go on and also perform their funeral. We also learn that can perform or do whatever they want in regards with the widowhood rights. Say widowhood rights on my first wife or second wife. Now we have a video here, okay, of what Ibusian Penny edit to video where Babaka. In fact, there were a whole lot of scenes at the premises of a court there. This particular scenes and you could see some of the family members of Akosua Serwaa and also some of the supporters of Odo Broni. You could see that this fight to be tried there. But then quickly you could see some some of his words or the tuja a bra court Emma verdict said they can proceed and do whatever they want in regards with the funeral because I can find the family members have the sole custody of the body. Yensho video babaka yebeto aso.
Court no ade amaye aye no menim abusia kotenase de ye pese ye ene ye beye obia ne aye no kwan bia biem eka de abusia panyini ebeka enti mu nsantwerefo ronso adidi atam no bebrebe no njai bejai obia abusia mu asam mo ye yen saa abusia panyi tisame mo sori atemdidie enso betumi awu bebre eni nti no se court na kan wi yempe atemdidie ensem bia osi yenkosiesi yede ane se ye ne abusua ni nyina be kan bom na ya ade eye na abusua na tena ho enkoba se Daddy Lumba ye nti ye wi na abusua na sa ye pe abusua ede nkapumuka me kasara na me kasa se ye tiensam bebre frɛ ahimfie ya tiensam ti amane ne amamre eno so ane ye de ye adwuma de yemfa kikikiki nye adwuma ye make sure say ade bia ye bia eye enti ne ye de bedam lawyer fo a omo so kwotena ase jaja hwe nsem lawyer fo akasa we akasa still ye pe peace anya se ye de bi ma na ye se ya na ye ntokwa ye pe peace na ye de ye gina mu sanse ye ne ye mu nyina na ye enza drofwe mu na mo baba akwa kobode ngu ama eniema nyina atumi awie peye.
So that particular statement if you opinion and is just one of the many because the lawyer of Ibusian Fono almost somebody in same ebetuja why court even squashed Akosua Serwaa arguments in the first place because ultimately I will see who the entire same way see adding to Akosua Serwaa because German embassy for Kwaba says issue ABCD no idea was a ship ye. But now you could see in summer the lawyers of Akosua Serwaa or the tuja it is the lawyers of Ebusian for that Lumba Ebusian for Moody tuja or Moody Telly Sisia na court ama verdict. So what will happen a year never coso krana also no what will happen will Akosua Serwaa be banned because Ubeka is somebody let it be about says Akosua Serwaa ni DP brochure ni mukrana and say Nyankopon ahead adom no. Yeah, share this particular video of what the lawyer said. Yeah, Babaka, we have more to follow.
So today the court had to make a determination of the injunction application that has been placed on the body of our beloved Daddy Lumba. We made our superior submissions in court together with counsel of the second defendant, and the court heard our prayer and currently denied any injunction that is placed on the corpse. So currently, as we stand here, there is absolutely no injunction on the body of Daddy Lumba. The family has absolute right to make any determination as to the type of burial, the role they will assign to any person. So that is the good news that we have currently.
So yeah, uti sema buy na patch say sisi anidi in summer court atuja no ma ebusua no kwan say they can go ahead and do whatever they want, which means a big blow to Akosua Serwaa because Akosua Serwaa was seeking to stop the funeral or seeking so kwan performing widowhood rights and even was seeking if anything full control and access of the properties of Daddy Lumba. But the answer has it. And then in same because so our court today, and this particular in same court so court today, you know, some people actually wore the supporters of Akosua Serwaa wore a dress with a flyer on it and also with a poster on it. In fact, me who we be say that I just say in here no or my supporters of Akosua Serwaa and ya printi abo enim say legal wife serious mind blowing yen video e babaka ya
beto oba se wa se chire ni ba na se chire ni ba do benya ehudie ma medofo se kutu se bam ni omu de ni bia se chire fo
Tim Serwaa for
yeah
Tim Serwaa for and then
so this was Tim Serwaa for. Also, there was one incident you see court. It was a mere confrontation. Supporters of Akosua Serwaa and Serwaa Broni clashed. In fact, that Lumba no, you could see say, you man not to also your bad do crew no yampa because dead body bang and now when the be in Babe couldn't who see your door announce a properties and a japade we all doing one tia since young video of the very moment the supporters of Odo Broni and also the supporters of Akosua Serwaa already see in your court. So in fact this is getting nasty by day. You could see say ebusian emu achemienu example ebimu ebusian afa ebimu Akosua Serwaa afa ebimu Odo Broni afa I am messed up. And share this particular video of what really happened the babaka beto us because definitely we have a lot of details here to give to our followers. So you see another competition, a Bima printed t-shirt, a Bima printed flyer. In fact, you see an minimum side in politics, but then you could see clearly say these women Ubia when the followers Ubia Jina Dujina Obia supported your supported. Some people are of the belief and are saying say Odo Broni should be the person man in performing widowhood right because or not saying that the Lumba who through his end of days. If you must believe this, Akosua Serwaa is the legitimate wife of that Lumba or beshe and your masin and the first try ya kwa kwintu emu nyina na Akosua Serwaa ho until we see didn't need any bu a man. Also, if you look at these two fractions, Akosua Serwaa under the Lumba wamba miensa. Odo Broni ended the Lumba emba in 6. So you could clearly see say ebusuani mu ache yipa and we are learning say apart from that that Lumba essence wamba mienu on the side that edina buma 11 children. Now you can share this particular video involved because this is just one part video you can share one part of the class course so court because still the fractions of that Lumba's first wife Akosua Serwaa and Odo Broni the both of them almost see nipa and we are just hoping say the D-Day December seat I bear that Lumba me manen kwa say amount for I take these two personal like say if that ho near and that would be so sad and bizarre. You can share this particular video of another scene of the clash say busuafo mieni omudi see ni and am sa fractions we omudi see ni obi a support they all support yen hwe video ye baba ka ye beto aso